Tierney's Farm is a family-run equine centre based near Kinsale in the beautiful area of Sandycove. It was set up by Fimber Tierney in 2002 to continue his family's business, breeding, dealing and training thoroughbred horses. In my spare time, I often visit Fimber and help the Tierney family with their horses and maintain the fields surrounding their property. In the winter, there is often storm damage, and Fimber often calls me to help repair any damage around the farm. I fix the broken fences and pull up the radwort weed that is poisonous to horses. Many people would consider this hard work, and running a horse farm is a 24-hour job. However, Fimber's horses are of exceptional quality and are often very successful in their racing careers. I enjoy being around the farm immensely, and I find it very therapeutic. Not only are the horses very calming to be around, but the farm is based at the top of a hill which overlooks the beautiful cove, which is a lovely place to relax and unwind.